In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Skyscanner and Google Flights. Let's start with what these tools actually do. Both Skyscanner and Google Flights are flight search engines, not booking sites. That means they collect prices from airlines and from online travel agencies, organize those options for you, and then send you to a separate website to complete the purchase. Keeping that in mind helps you understand why prices can shift slightly when you click through, and why it's smart to compare the same trip on both platforms. Set up your screen so you can work side by side. Open two windows on your device. This makes the comparison clear and saves you from switching back and forth. In one window, pull up Google Flights. In the other, open Skyscanner. Enter the same departure and arrival airports, the same dates, and the same number of travelers in each. Matching those inputs ensures you're comparing like for like and not being misled by different search parameters. Now let's compare their strengths. Google Flights tends to prioritize major airlines and shows a lot of direct pricing from the carriers themselves. Because of that, its fares are often more accurate and reliable at a glance, and it's great when you want confidence that the price you're seeing will hold steady when you click through. Skyscanner casts a wider net. It includes budget airlines and many different travel agencies, which can surface cheaper or less obvious routes you might not see elsewhere. If you're hunting for a rock-bottom fare or an unconventional connection, Skyscanner often shines. A simple rule of thumb: use Skyscanner when you want the cheapest possible options, and use Google Flights when you want quick, reliable results that are easy to validate. Before you dive into filtering, click on round trip in both tools so the results are aligned. This keeps the search consistent and helps each site return comparable itineraries. You'll see prices update as you select dates. Keeping the trip type identical on both sides is key to a fair comparison. In terms of speed and ease of use, Google Flights generally loads faster and its filters feel especially smooth. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so narrowing by stops, times, or airlines is straightforward. Skyscanner can be a bit slower because it's pulling from more sources and the layout can feel busier. The trade-off is flexibility, more providers, and more fare types to explore. As you review results, remember that both sites redirect you to book. Always confirm the final price and details on the checkout page. With this setup and these strengths in mind, you'll compare them efficiently and pick the best deal for your trip.